We need to assemble. Bucket lift. We did it! Help the car reach its destination. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Try it on your own. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Amazing! We need to protect the house from foul weather. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go! The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Bucket lift. Don't stop! We did it! Build your own vehicle.